you doing, Brian?
Driving a Corvette.
Flying Corvette? How's it bleeding, sir?
There's fluid coming out.
That's good.
Not very strong.
Well, it is the rear. All right. Brakes are starting to get bled. Carry on.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the Corvette is off to lifting outside and on her wheels again. We bled the brakes, which we need to do again. I drove it around the block and the brakes are pretty questionable. But on Monday we have to pull the wheels off and everything again and put the sway bar links in anyway, so we can do it then. But for now the brakes do work, so I'm not too worried about it. They had some issue bleeding the rears. I don't know if it's master or the calipers or something. But she's a lot happier with the new fuel pump and fresh gas. Because I can hop right in here. And we haven't even put the new injectors in yet, so I mean, it's running pretty solid. Like, I've got no complaints. But yeah, the brake put on like the first half, it doesn't really do anything. I mean, she's happy going in the drive now, or gear. No misfiring. It is a little wonky shifting. I noticed it was like stuck in third gear, and I was coming to a stop and I got down to like 700 RPM before it finally shifted. But it did shift eventually. We're sitting pretty solid. I went around the block about 4 times. Only got up to like 195, I think. Oil temp, we got 157. 57 pounds of oil pressure, which is pretty solid. But again, this motor is recently rebuilt, so I'd expect nothing less. I think we looked at this before, but AC I don't think does shit. No. The car runs? No. With the AC on. I know before when you try to engage a compressor, it would shut off. We can charge that AC, and yeah. So, alright guys, as you can see, I have, well, you can't really see, but the new injectors are in there. Here's the old ones. You can see on this, and I almost wasn't gonna change them, but then I realized that the one that wasn't spraying before, even though it started spraying, it was spraying slower than the other one. So I went ahead and changed them. I got new gaskets in there. Key is forward, and there's no fuel leaks. It's key forward. There's fuel in the system, so not fuel. I mean, system's pressurized. Now. Definitely happy with fuel. So happy with that fresh fuel, happy with those new injectors. So it's still running a little rough, but yeah. So we're definitely running a lot better. We can actually go drive this thing, so that's promising.